Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to play games, video games on Facebook. It's super simple and easy and a lot of fun. So you want to be on the main page of Facebook and then click on Home. Now you're going to scroll down to click on See More, scroll, and then right here it says Play Games. We're going to click on that. And now we're in the gaming page. So games we love category, top picks for you. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll be able to find the categories. And so you can now browse and click a specific game that you want to find. There's recommended games, and then there's all games. So these are all the categories: action games, adventure games, arcade games, battle games, etc. Right? So I'm going to scroll up. Let's play a chess quest. Takes a few seconds to load up. And now I'm going to be playing against someone, which is really cool. So the games in Facebook, some of them you play against people, which is really cool. So I'm going to click play. It's going to find an opponent. And now I'm playing against Asuncion. My spelling isn't the best. Well, I'm white, so white goes first. Click on that. And now I've started to play a chess game on Facebook, guys. So that's how you play games on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.